Life is nothing without a little chaos to make it interesting. These are the words said by Amelia at Furry Roads.
My channel is all about getting out of our comfort zone and seek things that we really love or we are passionate about.
We humans are attracted towards things that are easy and lose ourselves in the sea of pleasure.
It is my first exploring video.
When time tells us that it's enough and tells us to find our way home, we forget ourselves. We do not remember who we are. And that was the case with me.
So here's the thing.
I knew only one thing in that sea, and that was I want to travel. So I courageously grabbed my old mobile phone and started this journey.
And it's a really amazing lesson. The lesson is to really seek discomfort and hope for good things.
I had $0 in my pocket and I couldn't travel because of that. So I decided to go out of my comfort zone and make videos about them. I stepped back and saw sunrise from the tallest building in our city, and that was my first video.
I don't care if it's good or bad.
This year was one of the most educational and motivational year for myself. These are the main moments of all the videos I have made until now.
Mixture of potato and
I thought I have break my camera. Well, medical college to see some
और इन मिज़ारों में बसे to do things that
will help me out. Just live up, mature. That's how I'm gonna win.
seek discomfort and hope.
Really calm.
all these incredible creators inspired me to do this, and I'm really grateful. Many years ago, someone told me that strangeness is the real beauty, and I didn't quite understand that, but I now know the meaning, and now I seek that exclusive beauty.
I have gimbal, so it is just shaky.
Yes, I have thought many times about quitting, but now I know it is never going to happen, because things are just getting started. So I invite you to join me in this crazy adventure, and let's make dreams come true together.